How to install LiveChat on Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform for online stores and retail point-of-sale systems. It handles everything from marketing and payments, to secure checkout and shipping. See all the benefits you get when you install LiveChat on your Shopify store. Provide instant customer support to your customers. Get a real-time view of customers' cart in chat. Increase the conversion rate of your online store with proactive chat greetings. Integrate with email and Facebook and use LiveChat as a main customer support channel. Follow these steps to install LiveChat on your Shopify store. 1. Log into your Shopify and go to the Shopify App Store. 2. Go to LiveChat and Product Cards app page. 3. Click on Add App. 4. Confirm by clicking on Install App. 5. If you don't have a LiveChat account, enter your email and click on Connect. If you have a LiveChat account, click on Sign In at the bottom of the page and enter your credentials to log in. That's it. From now on you can talk to your customers in real time. Check LiveChat's performance in Shopify. You can access your LiveChat dashboard right from the Shopify admin panel. It shows a quick overview of LiveChat's performance. You can use this data to improve greetings conversion, see if your sales goals are met and make better staffing predictions. If any actions are needed, you can quickly access the LiveChat app right from the dashboard. Send product cards. Shopify Product Cards app lets you send product recommendations without leaving the agent app, allowing you to save time on skipping between chats and your website. You can import a product list from your Shopify store, choose up to 10 items and send them to the customers right on a chat. Each product card consists of an image, description, and a button that is linked to a product page in your Shopify store. How to send product cards. 1. Open the app by clicking on the Shopify icon. You can find it in the chat section, at the top of the customer details bar on the right. 2. Type the product name in the search bar to narrow down results. 3. Click on the products you want to send. You can select up to 10 at once. If you want to unselect a product, just click on it again. 4. Click on Send. And that's it. Shopping carts you've sent are displayed both on the customer side and in the chat section in the agent app. If you send one product, it will be displayed as a single card. If you send more than one product, the cards will be displayed in a carousel. View your customer's cart. LiveChat integration with Shopify lets you see what is in your customer's cart right in the chat window. You can find this information in the customer details bar on the right. Note that this feature is enabled by default and is shown in the custom variables section.